Hello everyone, welcome to the Solidity Fundamentals course. I am Anjali and I'll be your guide for this course. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about the different crypto wallets. We also call them the blockchain wallets and look at the installation steps for one of the most popular crypto wallet, that is the MetaMask. So now let's talk about crypto wallets. What exactly are crypto wallets? They are gateways to the blockchain network. That's why you also call them as the blockchain wallets. They help you in managing your cryptocurrency. So this is the point where they are different from normal digital wallets which you've heard of. So there you manage your fiat currency, and here in crypto wallets you only manage the cryptocurrency. Crypto wallets help you in exchanging funds. So that means that you can send cryptocurrency to other person, or you can also receive any crypto from your friend. But here one needs to understand that crypto wallet is just a representation of your balance or your crypto balance on the blockchain. So as we know that blockchain is a database, it's a ledger where all the transactions are written. So crypto wallet just represents your current balance, and in case you want to send some crypto to your friend, so there's no physical transfer or there is no movement of any sort of cryptocurrency. It's just a transaction which is written on the blockchain, which subtracts that balance from your account and adds that balance to the other person's account. So crypto wallet is a representation of all this. But then again, it helps in very, very secure transactions. The transactions made by the crypto wallets are completely secured as they are signed by you. So there is a proper digital signature which goes with the crypto wallets, and it's completely encrypted and very, very secure. So there is a concept of public key and private key in the case of crypto wallets. So this is a very important concept. Let's discuss about this. So as we have already discussed, cryptography plays a very important role in blockchain. So we had discussed the role of cryptography earlier in the blockchain basics, where we saw that all the data present on the block is encrypted by using hashing, and the hash value is calculated, and that hash is responsible for connecting all the blocks. In the similar way, in crypto wallets, what happens that every crypto wallet owner is provided with two set of keys. One is the public key and the other is the private key. Public key is something which you can share with everyone because it will be required to send or receive funds. But the private key is something which needs to be protected and should never be shared with anybody. So I would like to give an example about the email system. So for example, you have your email. So your email address serves like your public key. So you have to share your email address with everybody in order to receive mails, right? But that doesn't mean that if somebody holds your email address, that person would be able to access your mails or send mails to some other person on your behalf. So just knowing the email address won't do that. If you share the password along with email address, then it will give the power to do all that stuff. So similar case, if you only share the public key, which is in this case your wallet address. So your wallet address is actually your public key. So if you share that public key, that's important because all the funds transfer will happen through that public key. But there is going to be a private key which needs to be completely secure. And crypto wallets, basically there are different types of crypto wallets which we are going to just study in the next few minutes. And there we are going to see what are the different kinds of wallets, and the difference in all the wallets is the way in which they are making that private key secure, or in which they're storing the private key. So that's why public key and private key concept is very important, and that concept is implemented in a crypto wallet. Now, one of the major benefit of a crypto wallet is it allows instant transactions. So if we talk about the non-crypto scenario, in case you want to send a transaction, maybe you want to make a monetary transaction from here to the other part of the world, anywhere. So definitely it will take some time, and also there will be some charges, extra charges, and it will not be a very smooth process, right? But in case of crypto wallets, even just like at the moment I'm talking to you, I can just log into my wallet and I should just have the public key, which is the wallet address of the other person, I'll just have to enter the wallet address, the amount which I want to send, and within a click of a button, the amount will be transferred. So that's why, that's the beauty of crypto wallets. That's the beauty of the blockchain technology actually, which helps us in making instant transactions. So one very important point, the utility of crypto wallets is not only to manage your cryptocurrency or to, have instant transaction, but it is very useful in interaction with dApps or the decentralized applications. So remember when I was discussing about the blockchain basics with you, and we discussed that in order to make any transaction on blockchain, a transaction fee, which is also known as the gas fee, is required. So any transaction which you make on blockchain, needs some resources, because there are miners sitting there doing all the work for you, and they need a reward. For that, the user who begins the transaction has to pay that transaction fee, right? But how do you do that? You do that through the medium of crypto wallet. So you basically have a crypto wallet associated with your dApp. So you connect your dApp, any decentralized application which you are using, you connect it with your wallet. That means you give your wallet address to that decentralized application. It can access your wallet for deducting an amount, right? So when you authorize that decentralized application, you get connected to that application, and then that sending and receiving of funds can happen. So there are a lot of dApps in which you receive funds as well from the other people, right? So even for that funds to be received from somebody else, you need to have a wallet connected to the dApps. So that is why we are actually discussing wallets here before writing a Solidity code, because as smart contract engineers, when you will be writing code, you would need to connect to your crypto wallet before even starting the transaction, because even when you write a smart contract and when you deploy it on a contract, it is considered to be a transaction, a write transaction. So creation of a contract comes under a write transaction, and in order to make that transaction, you need to have some balance in your crypto wallet, and that is where this crypto wallet will come into picture. So now let's discuss about the different types of crypto wallets. There are two kinds of crypto wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. The main difference between these two wallets is that the hot wallets are the ones which are connected to your internet, and cold wallets are the ones which are stored offline. So obviously from security point of view, cold wallets are better than hot wallets, since they're not connected to the internet, so you can secure your private keys in a better way. So, but coming to the advantages of hot wallets, so they are more convenient to use, because since you need to, for example, interact with dApps or something, so you need to connect your wallets every time. So for cold wallets, then if it's a paper wallet or a hardware wallet, then you will need a few extra steps to for that to happen. So that's why hot wallets also have their importance. If you are a crypto investor, then it's definitely it's important, it becomes imperative to have a cold wallet with you so that your funds are not compromised. But being a smart contract engineer, where you need to write smart contracts and check their deployment, so the web-based wallet specifically in hot wallets is kind of becomes important for you. So there are three kinds of hot wallets: desktop, web and mobile wallets. The desktop wallets are the ones which are stored on your desktop. So they are still better in terms of security, because here the file is stored on your local machine, but they are connected to the internet. Similarly, web wallet are the ones like MetaMask. So they are the wallets which are a part of your web browser as an extension, and so they are the most convenient to use, but again that comes at a cost, and the security part. So they're a little more vulnerable than others. And then there are third kind is the mobile wallets. For example, the trust wallet. So mobile wallets are like similar to the digital wallets you have for the Web2 current world, and in the mobile wallets, basically you have a QR code and on your mobile phones itself, an application where you have a QR code. So in case in some part of the countries where crypto is accepted, so you can scan that QR code and you can transfer crypto to each other using that. So for today's lesson, we will be seeing the installation steps for the web wallet, which is the MetaMask. Coming to the cold wallets, there are two kinds of cold wallets: paper wallets and hardware wallets. Paper wallets are the most basic wallets, wherein you just there is a website known as wallet generator. So that's one of the websites where you can generate a paper wallet. So it will basically give you a QR code which you can print on a paper and keep it safe. So it's kind of that way. So you can always scan that QR code whenever you need to make a transaction. Also, hardware wallets, the most famous hardware wallet is the Ledger, and so it's a cold wallet. So it's like a USB kind of electronic device. So whenever you need to make a crypto transaction, you need to insert that device in your system, use it, and in no way your keys would be shared on the internet, or it will be accessed by the internet. So that is the most secure form of wallets. So now let us look at the installation steps for MetaMask. So now let us look at the steps for installing the MetaMask wallet. You write download MetaMask wallet. And the first link is metamask.io. And this is the official link for downloading MetaMask. Since I'm using Chrome browser, so I'm able to see this button, install MetaMask for Chrome. I'll click on this button and I'll be redirected to the Chrome web store, where it is showing that you can add MetaMask as an extension. So I'll click on add to Chrome. I need to approve for adding it as an extension. Now you'll see that here on the right hand side, it will appear as an extension the moment it is installed. See, it's come. So here we can see this as an extension and it will automatically open. You can also click on this top right side extension button, and you can also pin this extension. So it becomes easy for you to access this. So it appears here. So now it says welcome to MetaMask. Click on get started. There is some advisory for you. We go through them and click on I agree. In case you have already created a wallet and you need to import it, click here. Or if you want to create a new wallet, go to this create wallet. Here you will be asked to type in a password minimum 8 characters. Please do that. Once you have confirmed the password and clicked on agree button, you will be directed to this screen where you will be shown a video of almost 1 minute, and it is the video regarding the secret recovery phrase. So in the right hand side you can see there's information written about this. It's a 12-word phrase which can be considered as a master key to your wallet and funds. So it's not recommended that you save the secret key anywhere online. So it's better if you can write it down on a paper or maybe store it offline on your desktop. So it will be required in the next step where we will be selecting those 12 words in order. So please note them down, copy them, but do not save it online, as this is the phrase which will help you in accessing your, so it is kind of the master key. So basically your wallet address will be the public key and that will be shared with all, but your password is going to be the private key. And in case you kind of lose your password or forget your password, so this recovery phase is going to be the master key for you. And in case you miss out on this recovery phase, or your recovery phase is compromised, then the whole funds and the whole crypto wallet is compromised. So you need to be very careful at this step. Click on next. Here you can see there is a lock button and you're asked to click on this to reveal the secret words. So the moment you'll click on them, you'll see 12 words in a particular order and you need to copy them out. And in the right hand side, we can see there are some tips and phrases. So click on this lock button and note down those 12 words and enter them in the next screen. So once you have confirmed the 12-word secret phrase, you will be directed to this page and click on all done. And here is your MetaMask wallet main screen. So the MetaMask has been installed in your system, in your web browser, and as an extension. On the top right side, you can see all the networks. You can add more networks here. Testnets, Polygon, all other blockchains networks can be added. We'll see how exactly can we do that in our upcoming lessons. And here on the topmost part, you can see the your wallet address, basically your public key. So you can always copy to clipboard and share that wallet address with all. And this is the balance of your MetaMask wallet. And there are buttons for buying crypto from some other crypto wallet, or sending it to other wallets, or maybe swapping it with some other cryptocurrency. So this is the basic utility, the main part. So I hope you found today's video to be useful. See you in the next lesson.